Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Central Catholic Junior Senior High School in Lafayette, Indiana, part of the Diocese of Lafayette, home of the Knights. My first visit to their campus, beautiful morning and afternoon, early evening, getting to speak to all the grades 7 through 12 in 2 separate assemblies in the gym right over here. And the parents as well, doing an adult session. And for the student program, it was focused on Suicide Prevention Awareness Month, which is here in September, but really trying to relate to the power of our actions, not just, towards others, but towards ourselves, and the opportunity and really the necessity to be kind to our mind, right? The person we're going to talk to the most in our life is ourselves, and we want to be telling us something positive. And so as a reminder, to start making healthy habits, having some positive outlets for stress, so that we don't get to the level of, really ever thinking the unthinkable. Because, suicide, like we talked about in the programs, it's never about wanting to die, it's about not wanting to deal with the pain. And so we need to be able to heal fully. We do that by letting Christ fully enter our hearts, right? That we're broken until Christ breaks in. And the word broken itself has the word okay. But to know that sometimes storms have to happen for the rainbows to appear. I share a series of heartfelt stories, some positive music, a couple of spoken word poems, some motivational videos as well, just to really reinforce what I was trying to convey today, that we never have to go it alone, right? There's always someone that cares. Even our Savior needed help carrying his cross, right? So what does it say about us? That we need others, right? We need that support system in place, and we need to be able to, have the confidence and the courage to reach out when we, do need someone else, right? As human beings, we have billions of nerve endings in our body. We're going to feel pain, but the idea is that, we always have a choice, and to really look to our faith as that backbone, as that centerpiece. That's the foundation, that we really want to hone in on, and always, look to our Savior for that hope, for that light. And once we, understand that, then we go shine our light. And a big piece of that is understanding our worth and our value. I bring this up in all my presentations, but all of us with the lines in our hand have the letter M, right? I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have this one in each hand. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W stands for worthy. We're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into this, right? We have to truly believe this. And we have to know that when times do get hard, like the shirt that I wear for this particular program, it says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose. So if you're looking down, feeling sad, depressed, defeated, it's a reminder to always keep your head up, right? To always have that positive mindset no matter what. And the students really got that. There's a lot of pin drop moments, a lot of positive feedback from both the students and staff, the parent adults as well, for their program that was geared towards cyberbullying and social media. Some of the same underlying themes, some of the same stories, there's a little bit of overlap there, but I'm really trying to talk about the fact that yes, there's so many of us that have followers, many followers and friends on social media, but sometimes we still feel empty and alone. And it still comes back to getting our self-worth. Is it from the very phone that I'm recording this on, the number of likes, followers, or is it knowing our identity, as children of God, children of the Most High? In Isaiah 49, it says, I have engraved in the palm of my hands, and that's the proof, right? That we are all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to again, give it and receive it. So to buy into those concepts, to have the biggest takeaway that love overcomes all, right? I think that's huge. I think that's something that all of us can take to heart. Keep striving for that unconditional love without any conditions. First loving ourselves, then going and loving others, right? Knowing that our actions, whether they're virtual or in person, that we have that power to uplift or to destroy. And hopefully we choose the more positive path. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day here at your campus. Hope to see you all again in the future. Have a great rest of the school year for now. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Christ, peace.